Okay, good morning! Nandito pa rin tayo sa Ayala Coffee Sunday at birthday ng ating kaibigan! Happy birthday, Ariana! Happy birthday to you!
Ano po yung ano niyo po?
Greetings from Iron Man! Iron Man, Tagalog spelling. Iron Man. At video mo ko channel. Yeah, playing for kids lang ako para mapataya lahat. Oh, thank you very much. Bye-bye! Woo!
Ano po yung...
Okay, good morning sa inyo lahat. Magkakaroon na naman tayo ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay, medyo maulan ngayon at susubukan natin panibagong adventure with Iron Man. Let's go! Okay, nandito pala tayo sa Pasunta Makati at papunta na tayo ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Good morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanto ng Buendia, Makati at Ayala Avenue. At dito mag-i-start ang ating adventure, Ayala Car Free Sunday. Iron Man. Okay, let's go. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Ayala Avenue. At dito ang starting point ng ating Ayala Car Free Sunday. Okay, let's go! Okay, good morning!
Hi.
Ito ang ating kaibigan. Yes!
Hi, my name is Lizette Malaag 26 from Makati City.
Okay,
Morning.
good morning! Dito kami sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. Good morning!
Good morning!
Yeah! Bye! Thank you very much!
Thank you!
Okay, good morning! Nandito pa rin tayo sa Ayala Car Free Sunday at birthday ng ating kaibigan! Happy birthday, Ariana! Happy birthday to you!
Ano po yung ano niyo po?
Greetings from Iron Man! Iron Man, Tagalog spelling. Iron Man. At video mo ko channel. Yeah, playing for kids lang ako para mapataya lahat. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Woo! Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Triangle. Titignan natin ang kaganapan dito. Napakaraming tao nagja-jogging at okay, go. Like a vlogger. Oh, you're a vlogger also. Okay, we have a friend here. His name is, what's your name? Sue. Yeah. He was also he had also a camera, a vlogger also. Yeah.
I like the outfit.
Also, thank you very much. I am Iron Man at the Video Mobile channel. Okay, please subscribe.
Alright, we'll do that.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend. Bye-bye. Woo! Wow, that's my friend. Medyo may schedule pa ang biking dito sa Ayala at kasama ko si brother. Ayan, good morning, brother.
Wala ngayon, cancel ang Carpio Ayala, may pandangan. Bawal ng mga biker.
Oh, kaya ito, mamasyal muna kami dito along Ayala dito.
Salcedo, along Salcedo. Alam ko ngayon yung kapon pala yung may weekend market dito.
Okay, ikot-ikot muna kami. For the meantime, ngayong umaga, medyo hindi pa muna allowed ang mag-bike or scooter dito sa Ayala Crossing at to give way sa mga nagmamarathon. Ayan. Ayan na muna sila. Okay. Tambay-tambay lang muna tayo habang walang ulan. Okay, good morning!
Basta muna ko.
Okay, that's it. Yan ang ating Ayala Car Free Sunday. Medyo hindi po na allowed ang bike or scooter dito sa Ayala. Jogging lang. At for the meantime, medyo maglilibot-libot muna tayo dito sa Ayala. Okay, maraming salamat. Ride safe and see you. Good morning! Iron Man! Okay, for the meantime, magsisimba muna tayo dito sa Sacred Heart Makati, dito sa San Antonio Village. Simba muna tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa mga blessings galing kay Lord Jesus. Okay.
Even as one.